I'm going to go through that process for exporting data through Explorer and importing into Mastergade on a PC. It's mostly the same, but there are a couple subtle differences as well. So in this case, we're going to start again, same place, gradebook, and roster is my IT9 class. Going to go into reports, into quick report. It will be a saved report. We don't know for sure the name yet, but we're hoping that when the district gets around to it, it'll be called MyEd BC Export, or maybe you made your own based on my other instructions. Whatever the case may be, all you need to do is go and click Finish. Once you find the correct report, there's the data. And you can see that in the case of a PC, you get a couple different items here that you don't see on the Mac version. We don't want to convert it, we just want to save that file. And we're saving it, I'm going to save it into a folder I've got here called Mastergade Classes to Import. And this is my IT9 class, IT9, and it is a text file. I'll go ahead and save that. Just going to minimize those for a second. And there's that course there, ICT9. And we want to open that up with Excel. And Excel is going to want to do some special things with it. So I have Excel open already, so I'm just going to drag it onto it to get it to open. And there it is there. Whoops. Actually moved the file, so I'm going to have to do it again. I'll just go to long root here. So instead we're going to say classes to import, and there it is there. So when it first sees it, it wants to know about what the delimiter is, and it's a comma delimited file. So take out that tab and do comma. And that's about all there is to that. You might see things like this. This just means the number is too big for that column. We want to add period to this last column, just like we would have for the Mac version. This is period 1, and the fill down is identical as it was for the Mac. Right? So just click and drag that down. And then when we're finished, we're just going to save that as a CSV file. So you'll see there's a choice in there called CSV, comma delimited. There it is. And we'll save that and say yes to that. You do need to close this file. You can't import it when it's still open. So if you don't want to quit out of Excel and have to reopen it, just close the actual file itself. And you don't have to save because it's already been saved. Mastergrade's open already, and I'm going to import then. And there's my MyEd BC import. Click on continue, locate that folder I've been using. There it is. There's that IT9 class. Click on open. Gives me the choice of 1 and period. To remove the period, just leave the 1 just as it was for the Mac, exactly the same. And voila, there's your class. Okay, that is it.